Hey ladies and gentlemen, Jay here. For today's video, you do not want to miss this as we talk about what's next now that Uni has broken past its previous all-time high. And will we see a retest or potentially go much higher? Also, we've been calling this correction out in our previous videos and sure enough, it has occurred. Lastly, will Uniswap reach this price target we've been calling out for quite a while now in the next few days? Stay tuned. Hey there ladies and gentlemen, sorry about not uploading any videos the last few days. Sadly, my video editing software abruptly stopped working and embarrassingly enough, took a while for me to figure out the issues. But we are back and I want to thank all the subscribers and the ones hitting the like button. It really means a lot to me that people are showing me support regardless of how small it is. So thank you so much. So where we'll start is at the 4-hour chart. So in our last video, we talked about this hidden bearish divergence, right? As you can see, once again, price actions was going higher, as you can see there, and RSI was going down. So what happened? Well, we saw from the top to the bottom about 35% correction. By no means this was small, and a lot of people might have gotten scared and got shaken up by this move. I'm hoping that everybody has held their ground because this was expected. All right, now if we zoom out, okay, let's go ahead and zoom out and then draw the support trend right here. You can see that the old key resistance at one point, as you can see here, I've drawn this many times with these rejections here, here, has become the floor to propel Uni much higher. Another thing to look at, if you take a look at here, Uni has created a double bottom. Okay, a double bottom is a clear signal of the trend reversing. Once we created that double bottom, saw this floor, guess what happened? Uni price shot up much higher. And what happened from there is that we traveled through this narrow channel right here. And then eventually the price action popped, reaching a new all-time high for Uni. So right now it's interesting because take a look at what's going on. Uni is retesting this channel. So now let's go ahead and switch to the daily. Let's go ahead and clean this up. Grab the Fibonacci retracement tool, measure from our previous all-time high to our low, and where is Uni being rejected at and having a hard time breaking through? It's at our previous all-time high at the Fibonacci retracement 1. Yes, technically we did create an all-time high, but don't be surprised if Uni trades around this range for a bit, the next couple of days, even the next week. Now take a look at the RSI as well. What we are seeing right now is that Uni is in the overbought territory. We are extended, and it would not surprise me if sellers and shorts take this opportunity to strike at this level. Now, contrary to that, if we zoom into the 1-hour chart, Uni is creating a staircase pattern. In our previous video, we talked about this. Price action finds a floor, shoots up, retraces, and typically finds support at the previous high, then so on and so forth, driving the prices higher and higher. And that's exactly what we're seeing in the 1-hour chart. Now, even though the 1-hour chart is creating the staircase and has the potential to drive the prices higher, it's always a good idea to take a look at the price chart at a higher time frame, like the daily, for example. Of course, the weekly and monthly would be even better to look at, but Uniswap is fairly new and really needs time to create trends and have a better understanding of the overall structure in the long term. Remember, the higher the time frame, typically the clearer the trend is in the long term. Try not to get caught up with these shorter time frames. Now, don't get me wrong, experienced trader utilizes the shorter time frames, but Uni is one of those projects that it's best to hold on to for the long term, especially since any time right now is technically a good opportunity to buy Uni. Ladies and gentlemen, the bull run is about to start, and I don't want anyone missing this ride. So hop on because things are really getting juicy. To summarize today's video and possible price target, let's pull the fib once more. From our previous all-time high to the low, we can see the all-time high is creating some resistance and could potentially trade within this range for the next few days or so. Also, Don't be surprised if Uni sees a small correction from here, which technically can be a good buying opportunity. But in my opinion, it will only be a matter of time till we break through this and reach my target at the 1.618 at around $12.78. Anyways, that's going to be it for me, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed the quick and simple technical analysis for Uni. Once again, apologies that I was not able to make any videos the last few days. Hopefully my video editing software doesn't crash again. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, and only if you enjoyed it of course, hit the like button, show some support, consider subscribing to stay up to date anything crypto related. Follow me on Twitter, link is in the description by the way, and once more, thank you for all the subscribers showing me some love, and I'll see you in the next one.